So hey guys, good morning. So some time ago I came back from tuition. So my regular routine is I followed, and after that I was ready for the college. But due to heavy rain, I could not go to the college, and I just had meal. So okay, so I'll not go to the college. So that whatever college work I'll complete in home. So at home. Uh, so first of all I will complete my writing work. I have so much writing work, so I'll complete them first. At least whenever until complete my writing work, I will complete, and after that I will take a nap, and then I'll go for the regular task. So okay, first of all, I'm going to complete my studies or my writing work. So let's go. So guys, finally I have completed my practicals. So but I just complete my written work. I did not complete my diagrams. So okay, I'll take a nap or I'll take a rest because continuously I'm writing since 2 hours. So I have no habit to writing because okay, so whatever it is. So first of all, I'm going to complete my regular task while resting, and after that again I will go for the writing work. So okay, so let's go. So guys, when I have completed my writing work, after that I took a rest, and after that I did not took a nap due to some of I have completed my task. So okay, now I'm going to complete my meditation. So because uh, when I came back from tuition in the evening, at that time I'll complete my studies properly. So okay, so without wasting in time, will complete my meditation, and after that I'll again sit for the writing notes. Okay, so let's go. So guys, I just complete my meditation. So it's raining, and that's why I was distracted. But again, I concentrate my meditation. So okay, so I'm going to complete my writing work, and after that I will have a meal. So I'm very hungry. So first of all, whatever some writing work I'll complete. So okay, so let's go. So guys, just now I have completed my writing work, and just 1 to 2 pages are incomplete, that I will complete after me. So first of all, I'm going to have meal, and I have only 1 hour. In this 1 hour, I have to have meal. Even I want to complete teaching work. So after 1 hour, I will go to the tuition. So okay, so let's go and have meal, and after that I will be ready for the tuition. So please let's go. So guys, I just came back from tuition, and when I came back from there, I was drenched, and okay, so first of all, I'm getting some rest because I'm very tired. So okay, and after that, I'll be continue my live lectures. I want to complete my studies. Otherwise, I'll complete my writing work. So okay, so overall task I have complete meditation, and so many tasks are where I did complete, and after a long time I have write 4 to 5 hours. So okay, so this consistency I have to make regularly, and whatever I have decided that I will skip 1 month for the competitive exam, but when if I will skip this, I'll be break my consistency. So that's why I don't want to break. So I'll continue my work. So okay, whatever I will learn 1 hour 2 hour, but I will be study. Okay, so now I'm getting some rest because I'm very tired. Whole day I was very busy, and due to lack of sleep, I can't my mind uh, run for the my study. So okay, so let's go. So guys, when I came back from tuition, after that I took a rest, and then I had meal. So it been 1 hour, and okay, so whatever it is. So guys, some time ago I decided like I'll be sleep without doing study, and I'll wake up early in the morning. But every day I did like this, but not satisfied, like not uh, com- not successful this plan. So okay, so guys, also I feel like I'll complete my sleep because tomorrow there will be my college, and I'll continue uh, doing the college. So that's why I feel like I decided like I'll complete a sleep, but remaining study. There are so much study I want to complete, and still I did not complete my live lecture. So it been completed, but okay. So I'll complete recorded, and if today I will not complete study, and I'll not complete anything, and I'll be sleep. So and I feel like I'll complete by tomorrow, so it will be excuse. So I don't want to make excuse, and overall task I have complete. Just I will upload this video, and then I'll complete the study. So okay, I have only 1 hour, so in this 1 to 2 hours, at least half an hour, more than half an hour, I want to do study. So first of all, I'm going to complete my live lecture, or any recorded lecture, whatever I complete a live lecture, and after that one practical I have completed. Just to some of pages are incomplete, so I will complete this just now, and then remaining work like diagrams work I will complete by tomorrow or Sunday. So okay guys, so that's it for today's vlog. We'll meet another one. Bye bye.